It's to the death of a baby in Arjikar Medical College. My lord, may I give the backdrop of this case?
Why it has come up?
Habeas corpus. It's a habeas corpus matter, my lord. But subsequently, during the pendency of this application, it was disclosed that the baby has expired, my lord. 12th, the baby was born in Chandanagar, my lord. The baby was referred 12th of 12/6/2020, my lord. Sorry, my lord. 2020. This matter relates to 2020, my lord.
Now, during pendency of habeas corpus, the lady,
It was revealed that this baby has expired and they handed over a body to us. Subsequently, we challenged during this pendency of this application that the baby was not the baby of the petitioner, my lord, and a DNA test was conducted. That DNA test was negative, my lord. The child was not of the petitioners. Lord, subsequently, during this pendency, they filed an affidavit. There was a number of discrepancies. I should say they lied on affidavit, my lord. And subsequently, a SIT was conducted by this honorable court, and they filed a report. My lord, depending on that report, there are a number of anomalies in that report also, my lord. That's why I'm just giving a backdrop so that your lordship can understand, my lord, what is the backdrop of this case, my lord. My lord, the report filed by them.
So what do you want from us now?
My lord, one is that the whereabouts of the baby was not disclosed to us. My lord, the baby which was handed initially when we filed this matter, this related to one baby, my lord. But subsequently, when this matter took place, my lord, it came to know that the baby which was handed over, that was also not known to us that whose baby was that. A dead body was handed. So subsequently, it devolved into 2 or 3 perhaps babies, my lord.
How?
My lord, our baby was admitted.
Your Babun Mondol.
Babun Mondol.
Babun concerned with Babun's daughter.
My lord, Babu's son, my lord. Babu's son, they handed over a baby to us.
I understand that. To that effect, further investigation was directed. SIT was constituted. That report does not go in your favor.
Yes, it is in my favor.
It goes in my favor.
With the leave of my senior, I am giving a backdrop knowledge. In June, a baby was born in Chandanagar, and he was facing some breathing trouble. He was referred to Calcutta Medical College. Calcutta Medical College
on 13th
didn't take admission. Subsequently, he was referred to Arjikar. Arjikar, when he was admitted in NICU. Subsequently, his mother was also admitted. On subsequent date, mother was released, and during that period, after releasing of her mother, hospital gave a breast pump, saying that you just give us breast milk to feed the baby. After almost 10 or 12 days, the mother became restless and wanted to see her baby. She went inside and found in that particular bed, there is no baby. They asked the authority, where is my baby? Then the authority said, your baby died 12 days back. They showed a decomposed body. And the mother said, this is not my baby. And from there, this case started. During pendency of this case, as per direction of this honorable court, DNA test was conducted. As per DNA test, it was revealed that the baby with decomposed body, which was given to us, is not a baby of Babun Mondol. From here, case of 2 babies are coming. First, a decomposed body of a baby was given to us, which is not baby of Babun Mondol. Second, I'm asking the question to myself, where is the baby of Babun Mondol? SIT was formed. SIT has given a report, submitted a report before your lordship, and that the report conclusion portion and body is quite different. Conclusion portion, in conclusion portion, they are saying.
Have you used any exception to this?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. We have exceptions file, every opposition file, reply file, everything is there on record.
Then what remedy you want to defend?
But I want my baby, my lord. Kindly consider, since 2020, a mother is searching for her baby. She became almost mentally retarded. We still have contact with Babun Mondol. His wife has become mentally retarded.
No, did the SIT say that they conducted further search operations?
No, my lord, nothing.
No, there's
nothing. All the initial statement made by the hospital authorities is absolutely fake. Initially, hospital said, we have informed the father about the death. He was not there, but the inquiry revealed there is no action against the authority.
Case is pending before the in ordinary criminal jurisdiction. Any case is pending?
Perhaps no.
You did not.
I have lodged a complaint, my lord.
Was any regular case started?
Probably no. Probably no. We authority didn't contact us ever.
No case was started. No criminal case is pending. My lord,
you tell us that what relief you want from us today. Issue is, if we have understood you properly, The factum of missing is clouded by an alleged fact that the baby had expired. So this dispute,
my lord.
whether missing or died,
No, my lord.
just a moment, missing or died, this issue, how can a habeas court consider?
My lord, a baby who was
We understand your problem. We are sympathetic to what has happened to this mother. She finds that her baby is dead, but we find that the decomposed body is given, which does not tally with your DNA case failed. So now let us, what relief can we provide? How can we, suppose this disparity and argument which we'll be making, this is an adversarial thing which will happen. You will say that that report is not proper, my baby is still alive, you find it out, and they will say it is an incident of 2019, we have done so.
my lord, report is saying that. Report is supporting us.
Show us the report.
My lord, I am just handing over, probably it's on the record. Still, I am handing over
What
my
is the
copy, my
date
lord.
of that?
The report is there separately, my lord, filed by Dr. Pranav Kumar, my lord, who was head of the SIT
no, I
constituted
think
by
they are referring to the report. SIT report is not in their favor. They are talking about the
The
DNA
SIT
report.
report is also in my favor.
Which one? Which report?
Inquiry report is also in my favor. My lord, kindly, my lord, comes to
Mr. Tiwari, show us how your inquiry report is in your favor.
kindly comes to paragraph 14 of the inquiry.
Come to 27, that's the conclusion.
The conclusion portion and body is not matching, my lord. Like the body of my baby and the body was given to me. We are reading
What
of
is
the
the date
report.
of the
This one.
Kindly see the
This
page
report.
14 once.
9 November 2020.
511, 911, 20. Huh?
ठीक
I am
है.
placing, my lord.
अच्छा.
On examination of the mortuary register, Hindu unclaimed death and petition certificate register, it was noted that on 27/6/2020, there were 2,000 dead bodies of male babies. It was indeed a very difficult task to identify the specific body of baby of Srimati Debjani Mondal unless the tags were intact and legible. It is very unlikely that the paper tag was intact in a mass of such highly decomposed bodies. Since the identification of the body of the deceased of the baby of Debjani Mondal was only based on the fact the dead body of a male body was found from the mass of a highly decomposed body in the morgue at the time of identification. Next line. It is no surprise that DNA profile of the baby has not matched with Babun Mondal and Debjani Mondal. In report in the body, they are saying the DNA profile
No. They are only saying it is not a surprise because the body was decomposed.
decomposed.
There were 12 other bodies. So
Decomposed.
it could not naturally didn't match. That's what they're saying.
Kindly,
Finding.
24 bodies. 24 bodies.
Conclusion, page 12. Page 12. Page 12 का तेरा second.
kindly see this report. And probably it's on record. My copy is a bit illegible.
What is the date?
Date
Please
is-
do not hand over papers, just
Fine,
stray
fine.
papers to us.
It is on record. It's already on record, submitted by 12/10/2020.
इसे निकाल देना बोल रहा है.
DNA report.
Subsequent to this report was filed,
Yes, sir.
5th November.
12/10/20. DNA report.
No, DNA, all right.
12/10/2020.
उनके conclusion question देखा. ये लिखा है critical health and there is no possibility of being stolen or
Reasonably.
The second page.
Show me the page. Which one?
The report kindly comes to the second page of the report, my lord. Observation.
So after 2020, what did you do? You left the matter.
No, my
Huh?
The matter was mentioned on several
Don't
occasions.
say this, Mr.
But I'm
Don't say this. When
Ma-
were you engaged in the matter? When did you come?
from
in?
the very first day I'm in
So
the
the
matter.
order was passed on 10th November 2020. You kept the matter pending for
Madam,
4 years.
madam, from
And
the-
now you are trying to impress upon the court that we are so concerned about this. 4 years you did not take any step.
action करने बोल.
4 years.
Admittedly, we are at fault. Admittedly, we are at fault.
That is why at the inception I said that what help do you want from this court?
But
What help you want?
Madam,
Tell us.
one order baby passed, man, to find out the baby because mother knows the baby is alive.
Conclusion is DNA, even if had not matched, it is their conclusion that the girl has expired.
But conclusion.
Now you tell us what is the remedy against this observation in habeas corpus. What we can do. You tell us that you can do this, you are not doing this. Tell us.
My lord, admittedly, a few things happen. Firstly, madam, I'm just placing you before you lost your
Please try to understand what order you want from us. We will say
But-
that let the investigation continue, find out the girl, treating her to be still alive after this report.
Let there be an order of investigation against the authority, my lord, at least. A baby is with two. It's a matter of two babies
So
now.
where were you in 2020? Report was in November 2020. The persons we are not there in the office. Today also, if you claim compensation also, you would not be able to establish your case. You advocates do not do anything and you express your worries suddenly after 5 years. After the matter is adjourned by the coordinate bench, go to the monthly list. This is the order. Did you take any steps against that order? Why did the court send it to combined list?
My lord, it was mentioned, it came before the list, before vacation, if I am not wrong, my lord, and subsequently, we are at fault. Admittedly, my lord, we are at fault.
It's a sad and unfortunate incident. This inquiry report
But we have filed our reply.
to the
Reply
Except, no, against the
Not to
report.
the inquiry report.
reply to what you have filed.
Reply to the affidavit filed by the authority.
Oh, you have filed
Then
an
a file used in opposition. Thereafter, reply. When the matter was finally considered, matter was taken up almost on a fortnightly or monthly basis by the erstwhile bench in 2020. Malad, further postmortem was directed. It was done. DNA profiling was directed. It was done. Where that report, malad, which my learned friend just read out. Then the SIT was formed by the coordinate bench. Then the SIT's report was placed before the coordinate bench. Up to this stage, malad, the matter was pursued.
that was in November 2020.
November 2020, that order was already
Now,
placed before the
what
bench.
was the incident? Why so many bodies were there in the morgue?
Malad, so many bodies were there in the morgue, malad, at that time. First of all,
No,
Well,
what he says was that it was a case of she was giving birth at
no,
that
no,
juncture.
bath was in Chandanagar hospital.
Chandanagar Hospital.
Then there was, malad, there was prenatal asphyxia of that baby. So, malad, he was brought to RG Court to be admitted. He was admitted, malad, on 13th. The baby expired on 15th June at 9 a.m. Malad, the case, the pleadings in the affidavit in opposition is that there was an attempt to contact with the parents, but that contact could not be established till 25th of June 2020. There was addresses in the public address system which is there in the hospital, but no one approached the SNCU up to 25th of June. The body was there in the ward, dead body, from 15 June to 18 June. 3 days it was kept in the ward and thereafter shifted to the morgue. From 18 June to 25th June, another 7 days passes. Then the body is handed over on 3rd of July. So it is decomposed almost, malad, the baby's age is around 5 days when he is dead.
The body was handed over to the parents.
So, malad, it
No,
was
they-
not because
Did you
because
contact-
as late as in, malad, I'll tell you lordship the date. September or October, another postmortem was conducted.
Why couldn't the parents be contacted?
Malad, the leading case is that, malad, there were, first of all, the baby was not admitted by the father. The baby was admitted by one Ipshita Pal. Malad, a phone number was there which was contacted in the public address system. It was repeatedly called. The call logs and the register which maintains the public address system has been annexed to the affidavit in opposition. Now, malad, there was one doctor who has given a statement that I have called the father myself from my personal mobile number. Then also I could not contact him. Later I got 2 missed calls from that number, but I was not in a position to receive that call.
Paragraph 24 of the SIT report is
Fine.
very clear. It says he was there continuously in that hospital.
Yes.
Yes, malad.
Then-
But that is the finding ultimately, malad, I am saying the
From the,
affidavit.
from the call logs, from the tower location,
Yes.
Then?
Malad,
could
this
you
has,
contact him.
yes, malad, but I am saying the affidavit case is that the affidavit
Yeah, affidavit
filed by
in
the
SIT
hospital
report.
authorities. Well, I am not denying that there are certain discrepancies in the opposition and malad, the SIT report. It has been recorded by the coordinate bench also. It will be recorded in the coordinate bench also. Because this report was placed before the coordinate bench. But malad, the conclusion number 1 also has to be read. On conclusion number 1, we cannot directly go to conclusion number 3. Conclusion number 1 is there. We cannot, apropos to what is falling from your lordship, malad, I bow down to that.
What would have been what was the date of birth?
12th June
12th June
2020.
12th June.
June, date is
19,
15 June
20.
2020. All
20.
in.
20.
Baby was 3 days old when the baby died.
Just one paragraph I would like to show, Manoj. Kindly comes to paragraph 5 of the main petition.
Of the
Paragraph 5 of the petition. All question raises from there.
Mr. Tiwari, you have to build up your case.
But
Build up your
ultimately,
case,
it's
sir.
our fault.
Extempore submission won't help. Build up your case.
But kindly comes to paragraph 5 once. 5 of the
আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি না। আসুন।